That's the only thing I can't stand with the camera sometimes. I never bring the tripod. But y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. It's your girl Alicia Amore. What's the one rebel seductress? We are back. We are back to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. I'm gonna bring the tripod now. I'm rest it up on my sneakers. Nah, I don't want you to fall off. What are you doing? Alright guys, I'm already start pull out the things them already, you know, but I got some new shoes. I got some shizzle my nizzle, some goodies. My goodies, my goodies, my goodies, not my goodies. Shake it, shake it, You're probably thinking I'm crazy. But anyway, you know I have to bring the vibes all the time because I am vibes. But anyways, remember I told you guys I was trying to get some shit to start out a little at home studio and sing. I got some shit. I got some shit. Not everything, but we're putting it together. And we're not gonna see the things them in the box because I'm trying to figure out how to do these things. So I got me a little microphone. La 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 la. Got me a little microphone and it's red. You know I like the color red. But I'm gonna feel like the light are blind and I know what me. I'm not really have a tripod right now, so you don't know anything already. So that's it. So I got me a little microphone, little filter thing. But did I set it up guys? Come and try to test it out. So it's out of the box. Came in this box. And yeah, some technical things are going right now, so I can't say everything. Got me the little thing right here to set up on the computer. Yeah, period. Yeah, gotta get good now on them things there. So anyways, I don't know them look something I want to use already. If you're subscribed to my skincare channel, then you would already know the regular ordinary skincare products that I use on my face. And of course I got some new Fenty shit. I got the Fenty powder. This one is the Invisimatte. Trying it out. And then my usual pro filter Fenty. So that's all the things that I got for now. I get some other things but I'm not sure no. Can't say all of my business. Like I got some new gears and saying when I feel like more show no, no show no that. But yeah, so far, wait. The biggest part of it all, period. Got me the new lappy. Yes, with a whole of space and something can get the work done. So to see it, the things that might come true, the things that might come together nicely. Oh it go, oh it's sold. Alright, love it, very sleek and neat. And yeah, I forgot to set it up now. Got me a pair of New Balances. Cute. Anyway guys, I know I'm over here acting a fool and stuff. Another thing, I hope you guys have been checking out my skits. Please make sure to subscribe to Ado_Vibrant and Mellytime on all platforms, especially on TikTok, because I didn't even recognize that their following on TikTok was so huge. But yeah, them have a good following on TikTok and the skits so far have been doing good. Guys, I'm telling you something, manifestation, believe in it, because just 2 to 3 weeks ago I was over here telling you guys that I was just working with my spirit and the spirit will forget up and just go and do some little acting thing on my social media, and I followed the voice in my head. And then like 2 weeks after dropping my own personal skits on my platforms, I was asked to come and be in the skits with Melly and Ado, and guys, we're not telling a lie, I had a great time. And I want to go follow them in because you guys are gonna see me pop up in a lot more acting. Hopefully I can get into a movie. Hopefully that is the aim. We don't know when we do things, we don't just do it mediocre. We try to go all the way because that is our vibe. So if I say I act, I go as far as where I want to go in our movie. So we're going to work towards it. No mind shop, we shoot our own movie in the future. I don't know the bad things come down. We're not afraid of nothing. We're not frightened for nobody. Yeah, God with everybody. I don't know it go. Alright, so but just want to know say we got some tools, we got some new tools and some new equipment to add to the game. Yeah, so we can upload things as we did say. And I don't know, the vibes just feel right now. The vibes just feel right. God is blessing me. I must say, thank you, God. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you for all that you have done for me. Thank you for all the wonderful people that you have placed into my life. Thank you for all the opportunities, all that you're doing, all that you're about to do, and all that you have already done. I am grateful. Alright, and remember, gratitude is everything. We have to put God first in everything, in all things, in the middle, pan the end, pan the corner, around the bend. God after and everything, because with God all things are possible. So I'm gonna check out now. I'm gonna check in back with you later. Anyways guys, chat to me later. Bad up on yourself. Outside, like I me own the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg life, man a beg cloud. Everyone me got them off the top out. Alright guys, so today I am cooking some pork chops. I'm gonna cook it with rice. The last time I cooked it, I did it with some potato, mashed potato, but today I want to try it with some rice. So you know, we got some peppers and we got some garlic. I don't know if I'm gonna use this pumpkin. I make some pumpkin rice, onion, and we also have butter. Of course we're using this pink Himalayan salt. So I'm not really showing everything because I'm really hungry and I just really want to mash up the food. Yeah, I get some tomatoes, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm just gonna use it to make like, I'm gonna cut up one of them and make like a little, you know, something for eat on the side. And I'm not gonna cook a lot of rice because every time I cook the rice I eat one plate and then the rest waste. So I'm gonna try to ensure that I do a little bit of rice today. I'm gonna put paprika and black pepper and we're gonna cook it down in some butter. So I'm gonna just go and stay tuned for the vibes and then I'm gonna show you when it's done. Alright guys, so I added all the seasonings. Here's the paprika. I also had some season to the bone. I'm gonna pass this guys. I have the headphone from my ears and I listen to the music. But I did some season to the bone. I also did garlic salt and I put natural garlic seasoning in it as well as onions. And I did the scotch bonnet pepper. But now nobody come tell me how to cook my pork chop. I cook it my way, Jamaican style. I've never actually had it with the butter bean before, but I somehow feel like I want to add a little bit of butter bean to it. I don't know how that's going to come down, or even if I'm going to do it. I don't know. I should have put it in the rice, you know? But I decide afterwards, say, I probably going to use the butter bean. And also, I don't know who else uses this scotch bonnet pepper from Kendall, but this I have it every time I go to the supermarket or every time I get groceries. This is definitely a must have. Anyway guys, I put on the oil on the fire and I'm gonna put the pork chops in because this have been marinating for a little while, not too long, but I'm gonna put it on now and get to work. Okay, alright guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I put some apples on the side instead of the tomatoes. I wasn't really, to be honest, but then in the kitchen I eat the tomato them, so by the time the food done I never feel like I want no more tomato. But this is basically what it is, stovetop pork chops, and I ended up putting the butter beans in it, just mix it around with the sauce and add a little bit of seasoning to it so it could get some flavor, and rice, which I honestly know I'm not gonna really eat much of because it's late guys. It's 6:33 and I never really want to spend all my time in the kitchen, so I did want to make some pumpkin rice, but I just never feel like I want deal with all of that. So I'm gonna just end up use plain rice with butter, and then I got some sweet American apples to finish it off. Yeah, when we're done eat. So right now I'm going to enjoy my meal and talk to you guys later. The pasta again, you know. No, straight.
Always the little one them. Always the little one them attack.
Hi, how are you? We're on shoot today with Melly Mel for Maintenance Day. It's a good shoot. Suspense in the place. Guys, not for stay tuned and wait for the action. You know, yes, man. Maintenance Day.
No joke.
And then check it out.
Watch out for this. You have to buy lyrics.
Mamas! Anglins. So guys, we got some lobster, fish, maybe my friend 2 pieces of chicken. I don't know yet, guys. This is just like meal prepping for the rest of the week. Yeah. I'm greedy, you know? I'm greedy. I eat everything. From fish to chicken to plantain to rice. I'm greedy. And then, oh God, I'm greedy, no! Mercy. What? So, wait, Petty, what happened? Guys, don't know I love Petty. Must I wonder why every time I come on a live I listen to TikTokers, because I like to watch a lot of the TikTokers. I'm sorry, I like to watch YouTube vloggers, and Petty has definitely been one of my number one vloggers from time. If y'all are OG, y'all already know this. Tell me, guys, what do you think about this red bob? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, I don't care if you like it, I like it, and this is what I'm rocking now. So the big news today is I got me a role in a movie. This is gonna be my first acting role in a movie. And yes, Otto, definitely from the know Otto from TikTok, he reached out. He was like, hey, we got a little small role for you if you want to play it, if you're interested. I was like, hey. We worked on some details, and then yeah, I accepted the role because I am trying to get as much experience as I can as with this newfound what am I gonna call it? I don't know, this newfound thing that I'm doing, you know, acting. And so as much opportunities that come, as long as it seems right to me, or the roles seem like something that will fit me, or you know, the play seem like something that I would be interested in, I definitely will see about it. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to angle the acting thing because I may feel the vibes for now. Alright, don't get it twisted, music is still coming, okay? But as I was telling the guys on TikTok, guys, I am not doing any more music for 2025, so y'all gotta wait until 2026 to get some new music from me, and your girl will be coming with it. Okay, anywho, currently I'm ready because I wanted to go see if I could find something to wear. I don't know, I just feel like I wanted to go to Havitry and see what they got going on up there and see if I can put something together. And I have some other little small errands to run. It late, you know. If you don't know me always wait like doing at the evening hours for the things because I don't like the sun. That's not good. No, I don't want someone to like the sun. I like the sun, but I don't like walk up and down in the sun. I'm so sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I love the sun, but yeah. So anyway, you're done there, girl. Alicia Moore, one Rebel Seductress on the app, and we are outside again with another vlog because I am vibes. I know your girl is always here for a vibesy experience. Yeah, because we're not boring around here. Guys, tell me if you don't want some I am vibes t-shirt. Should I do that? Should I start selling y'all the I am vibes thing, or the outside tees? Should I do some tees? Would you guys support me? you guys support my tea or my merch line, let me know. Anyways, yeah, so me I run go and go some bangle, and then we'll keep up with it now. Guys, have you been keeping up with the Nosy Landlord series and Maintenance Day series? If you guys been watching, definitely leave a comment and let me know how I have been doing so far. How has my acting improved, or is it improving, or am I doing good, am I doing bad, are there some things that I could work on? Leave in the comments and let me know. I'm open for positive feedback, constructive feedback, okay? Cause like I know somehow, cause like oh my god, the shades of the hair is bomb. Cause like I know somehow, yeah, negative for no reason, and we don't deal with that over here. Just straight positivity. I'ma just have to say as well to all of the youths them, make sure say wanna keep on rising, keep on working and going after your dreams. Believe in self, believing on yourself. Anything you wanna work towards, if you wanna put in enough work and be consistent and believe, it can happen. No make nobody telling us on can't. Don't make nobody make you feel like you can't achieve the things them wanna want, you can't achieve your dreams. It is all possible. Just pray, keep God in the midst, keep rising, keep working, stay consistent, and your dream can become yours. Alright, big up on yourself, and I don't know Salisa more. Catch you in the next clip. Love you more, nation. Alright guys, so I did tell you that I am going on a movie shoot. Today is actually Tuesday, and I just showered and I do my skincare routine to get myself together. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, definitely can't, you know, y'all know how to do your makeup already. And for those of you who don't know, I'm pretty sure you go to the makeup artist and you see how them do the thing. So y'all don't need me to do that, but if you do, let me know in the comment section if you don't want to see how I'm gonna do my makeup. Got my nails done. Don't know if you guys can see. Oh well, this is it. This is what it's looking like. You're not focused, guys. You're not too focused. We'll show you one next time. And these are actually press-ons. I've been loving the press-ons lately. Yeah, see there? It's in a note. Anyways, I've been loving press-ons lately, guys, because I've been trying to take care of my natural self, and that includes my nails, my natural hair, everything. So when me's a person when I do too well with the acrylic them, because they damage my nails a lot. I got very brittle nails. I mean, I tell you, I've been through some instances where the nails lick off my whole of my fingernail, them where I have to root it out, and you know, it's always doing crazy damages to my nails per se. So I'm gonna really, I wear the nails, I still do my acrylic them and thing, but as often as I can wear press-ons, I do, because you know, the advantage of press-ons too is that you can switch around the style as often as you like, and most of them relatively inexpensive or affordable, depending on who the buyer is. But for me, it's a little bit affordable, and I get to switch around my style a lot, and as often as I can. And when I don't want to, I can take it off and treat my natural nails. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't have edges problem, because I also like to wear wigs that I don't have to glue on, even though sometimes I glue on the wig them, but I not always want to do that. And that is why I kind of change my wig them like every minute, because wear the wig them we can take off, yeah, and even if them glue on, I take them off quick too. So my wigs do last me a while because of that, because I don't know, unlike most girls, I cannot sleep in the wigs, and if I do it one night or two nights, can't pass 3 nights because I get very uncomfortable. I hate how it feels when it's itchy and all of that. But anyway, I'm not coming to talk about makeup. I'm coming to talk about the good, nice movie with me I'm rolling at today. So today I am playing the role of Stacy. As I did tell you guys before, Arthur reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to be a part of the movie. And you know, we worked out the details and then I agreed to do it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm gonna put on my makeup because I should be there by 3 o'clock and it's like after 1 going to 2 now. I'm gonna start early because I know somebody do want to do this little chit chat with you guys, and then of course it might take a little while to get my makeup done. I'm gonna put on lashes and everything, so I'll make sure to start get myself ready so that I don't have to be in a rush and I can be comfortable. I get a script with the lines, and actually I was practicing the lines from about the last couple of days now. It's not really much, well, it's much, but you know, I'm quite confident that I'm going to do my best, and so therefore I'm not too worried. You know, as a matter of fact, as long as the person that I'm gonna have the conversation with in the movie does their part, then it should be okay for me to follow up. So even though I'm sitting in front of the vanity mirror, guys, I still like to use a little smaller mirror and get a little bit more up close when I put on my makeup. I don't know why, it's just a habit. Because trust me, I'm still in front of a really big mirror right now. Guys, I also wonder if I'm supposed to go do the little tattoo eyebrow thing, because or probably just like dye it, because I get tired if I do my eyebrow them every time. I want some eyebrow work. I want to just wake up and my eyebrow just already done. I don't know, I feel the vibe right now, so I think I might do it. I don't know, but the thing about me is anything that has to do with my face, I don't want to be permanent, because I can feel like I want that today and then tomorrow I don't want that. So I don't know, I'm gonna look into the options that I can use to make my eyebrows look kind of ready done, because even though I have eyebrows, guys, they're pretty thin. So if I want that little look there, you know, I really and truly have to do my eyebrows, because I don't have them thick eyebrows they like enough people. If I did have thick eyebrow, basically I have to build up my eyebrow, build the thickness with, you know, pencils and stuff when I do my eyebrow then. But anyways, guys, I'm pretty excited about the movie. As you guys can see, I've already been doing the skits with Mr. Nose and maintenance day with Melly, so kind of did I get some practice. But it's good when you start doing something and then other opportunities can come along to help you to elevate and get more experience. So I'm definitely excited about that. So I'm gonna carry on, guys, on the set, but I don't really know how soon that video will come out. So yeah, but as usual, I know I'm gonna go a little behind the scenes. I'm gonna see what I go on and sing and maybe not too much though, of course we can't give away everything that's happening, but if I can get to speak to some of the cast members, I definitely will do that and let you guys get an opportunity to see that as well. All right, so I don't want too late, I don't want too distracted, I don't want to get too carried away in the talking. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup, get ready, and then when I'm done getting ready, I'm gonna come back and let you guys see what's happening. All right, go and stay tuned. Alright, guys, finally I am ready to go. Rocking my red bob. Guys, I feel like I never make this mistake up here a while, because I don't know what I like it. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna put on my, you know, yellow shade, but I don't want to talk to you in another shade. And I kind of do the makeup, got a little bit of blush going on, red lippy, this yellow top, got these light colored jeans, have a little design on it, and I am of course rocking my Gucci slides, which matches this handbag, which gets a while now and I never wore it. That's my first time wearing it. And then of course my accessorized with some of my favorite gold sandals from Amazon. Yeah, and I'm gonna stack them somewhere. I need some more of the ones in the middle. I'm gonna get some more so I can do some stack. And I got these on the other hand. I'm actually carrying two other outfits. The one I'm gonna just show you, and I have another one in my bag, which is more of like a casual look. So yes, guys, I'm ready to go. Just find out that some more people have been on the video, some more popular people, but nervous. No, I'm just gonna do what I have to do and cut. So I'm just gonna keep up with you guys when I get on the scene. I'm gonna say a little bit more of the vibes. Alright, go and big up to myself. I'm more nation and I'm going to share for me, Go and share for me in the comments. Go and say, now tell me so I'm proud of me and them things because girl I go hard where I'm doing it just to ensure that you guys can take content and of course just working on me and my goals. Alright, big up on yourself. We'll talk soon. Bye. Really don't want to leave it like this, my friend. My heart hurt me, and I mean. Hey guys, good morning. It is currently Christmas Day. I am not home. I'm on the countryside. And I'm doing a little Christmas cooking today. But it's stopping for me kind of know one. Start and some things already. Today we're not doing much cooking because it's not much, people. But I don't know, I never really want to celebrate Christmas on my yard because celebrating Christmas alone is just kind of like a bore. Yeah, so there we're doing some fried chicken, we're doing some curry shrimp, we're doing breadfruit, ackee and starfish, pork chops and all of that. We're not gonna get to see the anglings because I'm not carrying through everything. But yeah, we don't start the day. We had a look of cereal, we had a look of rice and peas, we had a look of banana, and the thing come down and so currently I'm there with some shrimp and we are seasoning it up. Yeah, and we are listening to a little Christmas carol and we are try getting a little Christmas spirit. Alright, so I'm show no more as we go along, but I just want to tap in for making you know say it is Christmas and I just want to say Merry Christmas to you guys. I don't know, maybe by the time when I see that video here Christmas gone already, but it don't really matter. I still have to come on and wish my people them a little Merry Christmas. I'm hope food and Christmas and go good. I hope and have a belly full. I hope that you guys are creating memories, great memories. And Christmas is about love and care and joy and positive and so I just hope you guys are keeping the day light and bright. So once again, Merry Christmas guys, and yeah, me I go and go my bangle them right so and more keep up with it as the day go along. Alright, big up on yourself, Amor Nation. Guys, I started a new series. Also I started a new channel because through me I get more in the skits and filming thing. I started a new channel. It's called Alicia Amor Studios. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. So instead of doing the skits and the films, the skits on this channel, because usually I would put them in the shorts, I'm now going to divert them to another channel, which is the Alicia Amor Studios. So if you guys want to keep up with my skits, subscribe to Alicia Amor Studios. The link is going to be in the description box below. I'm gonna put the name across the screen right so someone can see it. Just search for it and subscribe to that channel, please. We're starting something new for the new year's. I'm very positive that it will go well, and I hope and I just want to see you guys on that journey with me. All right, so I'm so talk to now. We got food to cook and things to do later. All right guys, so of course we're gonna do look at outdoor settings today because it's an outdoor vibes, because this is Alicia Amor TV and we're always outside. And for the past few months I've just been enjoying the outdoor vibes and I prefer being outdoors because it's a country setting and a country vibe, so I go night outside. Right now we're chef up like a breakfast. We'll angle the ackee and saltfish already and now we're doing the breadfruit. I'm telling you already, so I'm not gonna show you everything. Yeah, but you know, just a reason as we go along. So I just do a little setting outside for me. So I go on right so we have the little fire right there, star angle. I'm gonna fry some breadfruit, alright? So we can just go and stick around and catch the vibe. The oil not too hot yet, so I'm gonna wait for it. Oh guys, I know I never talked to you about the movie the other day. The movie's gonna be called The Love Affairs, and some of my co-stars are going to be Rolly So Easy, Prince Pine, Unforgettable K, a lot of TikTokers, and who else was in it? Oh, Ado is also in it. Mr. Nosy Landlord. Who else is in it? Figure It Out. If you don't know the trending TikTokers, Figure It Out, and also Daima. Yes, so the film is gonna consist of all those people, inclusive of myself, Alicia Moore, aka Eve, aka Stacy. I play the role of Stacy, and I think it's a very interesting movie. You guys just need to check it out. Produced and directed by Otto. Once again, another TikToker that's divulging into something else, film. And yeah, I'm excited to see it. It's my first movie role. You know, your girl, I manifest the things them, and as someone manifest them, I saw God I bless me with the opportunities them, and I'm just so grateful. I'm grateful to be ending the year in this way. You know, a lot of the things that I put on my what I call it, my resolution for 2025, I definitely achieved them. Not everything, but remember, say Rome don't build in a one day. You have to take a little time and climb. But it's good to know that a lot of the goals that I set for myself, I definitely accomplished them. So the year was not like the best year, but I'm very happy to say I made it this far. I'm grateful for life, and I'm grateful that I still achieve a lot of the things that are a lot of the goals that I set out to achieve, yeah, for myself. You know, so it never bad. Even though I'm saying all these things and it's all dandy and everything, I still had some challenges in 2025 that I did not speak about, of course. But as I say, we take everything with grace, and we take everything with stride, and we don't let the bad overcome, you know, because regardless of the bad, there is still good happening, and it is the bad days that makes the good days feel so awesome. So I'm definitely grateful for the year that I've had. Got the opportunity to perform and sing. That was also something that I manifested into my life when I was focusing on the music more so. And this year, yeah, man, I complain. Big up God all the time. Anyway, we're gonna get into the thing so I can swag and not do too much talking. Remember to subscribe to my new channel, Alicia More Studios, to keep up with all of my skits and my movies and films in the future. Yeah, bad up that, angle that. Yeah, so I'm gonna fry up two little breadfruit them in this. Swag one. And this is what we're having for breakfast: breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, that's what clumsy. Guys, the eye won't put. So if we say we look a market or so, let's say the eye splash and boom down. That's nice. So you're not too used to too much of them stuff, yeah, but we are going to handle it same way. Feel like the eye did not add some more though. Alright guys, breadfruit popping. Cool down the burn, cool down the burn, cool down the burn, guys. Wow. So guys, I put on some more. Put on some more breadfruit. Gotta wait on them and fry them. Alright guys, breadfruit then. So ready to go. Next time I'm gonna see my plate. Breakfast angling. Ready to devour breakfast the country way, country style. Natural coconut milk, okay? Nothing from the packet. Real coconut juice. I'm gonna like it too much. Yeah. Good vibration, yeah. That's the positive vibes that we're creating, yeah. Nice aroma, nice natural seasoning. And then we're gonna put it angle down, and that is it. Christmas dinner is already angling.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, this is it. Fried chicken, regular Sunday dinner vibes. Look at cucumber, look at lettuce, look at fried chicken. Yeah, you wanna see the style? That's Christmas for me. And then we'll have the sour juice right so bam bam bam. Yeah, we're not sure enough because we're gonna have a little water afterwards. Yeah. Guys, in the kitchen again. Just season up some curry chicken. Look at season them forgot on it. It's gonna be another outdoor cooking day. Never really sure guys when they're season up and thing, but yeah. We're gonna do some curry chicken today and also some white rice. Simple cooking. Today's actually Christmas Sunday, but because of all of the whole back cooking in the week, there is no big cooking today. Just some simple curry chicken, rice and peas, just some simple white rice. I will mash that up with some vegetable and things so you can just go and stay tuned. We're still not home, but I've been loving this vibe and I've been working with this vibe. Quite calm, cool, refreshing and serene. And I hope you guys are checking out my new skit as well, which is called In Your Mind versus Real Life. Alright, I posted in the shorts, posted on TikTok, and I also post the episodes on IG, so just keep up. Alright, it's gonna be another outdoor vibe, so of course we're set up a wood fire and we're gonna go bangle. Alright, so now just go and stay tuned. Yeah, so remember the last time we did this, it was with wood fire. Yeah, upgrade. Cool angle the thing now. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I feel like there's an advantage with using the wood fire to me. I don't know, I feel like I like use the wood. The coal kind of troubling sometimes. I feel like I like use the wood. But you know, the coal is more long lasting. And it, I don't know, something about the wood for me. Something about the wood for me. I'm not busy. Something about the wood for me more than the coal. But anyways, we're using the coal this morning. So you know, so the wood them are going to burn up the pot. So I better use the coal, but something about the wood to me more than the coal. But anyways. sizzling and the food don't finish. Not even start, but aroma. I say no when food seasons sometimes. I'm gonna start to go and see fry the food, fry. I'll get back to the meat. Cheap, chop, quick. You know, I don't taste little food, don't taste. Don't taste little food, don't taste. Ha! Smell it? Let's smell it now. Yeah man, it's angle bango, triangle bango. Yeah. Girl did it. Yes, we did. Alright guys, so enough people don't know this. But when I cook on a curry chicken, a little trick to make the curry real nice is to use some coconut milk. So this is warm coconut milk. I'm gonna pour a little bit inside of the pot. Alright, mix it up a little. But you don't know them something guys. When you're young, you just cook curry dry. So me a big man, I know the big man things there. This is a lot, so I might not use all of it. But anyway, this gives curry chicken some flavor. Remember, I said this is a wood fire too, so it cooks the food fast. But when I love about wood fire, the steam go through the meat, make the meat soft, the bone nice and soft, and the meat just tastes tender and like tenderoni. Yeah. I have a live audience right now, and they're being very, very annoying. Children don't know for cook and them bad night, because them curry never smell so good. So we're gonna make that go and cook down, and then we'll hang the rice. You know what I'm telling you already, now guys, we're not doing no whole heap of cooking today. Today's rather they on the hillside, where nobody know the fits up to. Rather they on the hillside, than their own people where we hurt you. Rather they on a hillside, I build vibes and know them heart clean inside. Rather on a hillside, where nobody know the footstep. So guys, so the more I go up on the hills, and the more I understand the logics behind the song that we chronic last thing. Rather than on a hillside for true, up on the hillside feel peaceful and nice and vibesy. No people, no baga, hillside vibes, love it. Even though I put in coconut milk, still come back yellow and nice. Right. So I take it out now, I angle the rice. Anyways guys, as I can see, we already have the rice on the fire. I put some scallion and some garlic freshly washed. A little bit of soft margarine. And y'all know Prima by Grace. Grace when I can't sponsor me because I realize that every time I cook, I always I use the products. Too much butter and good food in here guys, so make sure it's on the dinner is served. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Yeah. And then no extra thing for the juice. Just some Arizona original flavor. That's it. Guys, you're still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.